Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be creating a version of Mary Had Little Lamb with codes in TurboWarp. You can get TurboWarp by typing and downloading it from Google. I'm going to launch my TurboWarp now. So first you delete Sprite 1. You go to Sprite, which is at the bottom right corner, and you click the cat with the star. You go to people and you can pick anyone that you want. The person that I want is Kai, and I'm also going to go to animals, and I'm going to pick an animal that I like. I'm going to pick a hare. And I'm going to change the size of Kai and put it to size 60. And I'm going to change the size of the rabbit, actually hare. And I'm going to change it to size 50. No, actually, size 60 as well. And I'm going to pick a background. So background. So where you can get the background is at the bottom right corner, and you click the space with the star on top. Now I'm going to click on indoors, and it would have a lot of things that are inside. And what I'm going to need is the hole, because that's going to be in the hole. So I need to go and get the music. To get the music, you have to go to the bottom left corner and click this red box. And once you get to this red box, it will say add extension, and you click on that, and you click on music. Now you have to go to events and take out when green flag clicked, and we have to set an, our instrument to something. So I'm going to set my instrument to a saxophone. Now we can start coding the music. I'm going to pick a lot of four of these, and I'm going to change them. This one becomes 64. This one becomes 62. This one stays the same. This one turns to 62. Then I go to I go to controls and take out repeat 10, and I go to music and I take out play notes, and I change this to 3, repeat 3. Then I take out, and I click 60, and I pick, and I take, and then I do 64, play note 64. Then I have to put play drum and put rest for 0.25 beats. Then I take out repeat 3 and I change this to 63. Then I take out rest. Then I take out control. Then I go to controls and take out repeat, and I put this to 2. Then I change this music to. Then I put play 62, not 62. Then I do the same for what I did here. Then I do the same for what I did here. So I take 4 of these. Now, now I have to save this. And I'm going to name this Mary and Lamb. Now I can save it. And I'm going to play it. Now you can hear it. That's the end of my coding video for today. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. And subscribe and and make sure you comment down below for what I can do next. Bye.